We didn't plan this. It was one of those last-minute decisions, just before sunset. The sky looked heavy, the wind was sharp, and the cold settled in quicker than expected. We thought the clouds would break. They didn't. So we stayed for a while, watched the light fade, and then turned back. Not every trip gives you what you hope for, but sometimes just being there is enough. Slieve League, above the clouds.